Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Cadillac ATS. This feature allows you to warm up or cool down your car before you even step inside, making your daily commute much more comfortable. We will cover the exact steps to use your key fob, what to expect once the engine starts, and some important safety considerations. Let's get started with the basics of your key fob. To begin, grab your Cadillac ATS key fob. You'll need to locate the button with a circular arrow, which is your dedicated remote start button. For the system to work, your key fob must be within approximately 200 feet of your vehicle. First, press the lock button on your key fob one time. This action signals to your vehicle that you are about to initiate the remote start sequence, ensuring everything is ready. After pressing the lock button, immediately press and hold the remote start button for at least 2 seconds. You will see the vehicle's exterior lights flash, confirming that the remote start has successfully activated. Your Cadillac ATS engine will now run for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the climate control system to adjust the cabin temperature to your last setting. This is perfect for those chilly mornings or hot afternoons. Once your vehicle is remotely started, it will remain securely locked. To enter, simply use your key fob to unlock the doors as usual. When you get inside, press the brake pedal and then the power button to fully engage all vehicle functions and begin driving. Remember, for safety, never use the remote start feature if your Cadillac ATS is parked in an enclosed, unventilated area such as a garage, to prevent carbon monoxide buildup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.